see a red bird looking at me. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog, what do you see? I see a sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see some children looking at me. Children, what do you see? I see some lots of animals. Brown bear. Red bird. Yellow duck. Blue horse. Brown. Black sheep. Goldfish. A green rana. A green rana. Purple cat. White dog. Teacher. White dog. And it all goes together.
The end.